In today's show I will talk a lot about natural remedies that can help you if you have hip problems. You maybe have hip arthritis, osteoarthritis. Usually you have the cartilage dysfunction or damage that is accompanied also with the pain, stiffness and much more. This video is gonna help you to save destroyed joint cartilage. And that is the question of all questions. Realistically, it is practically impossible, especially when you're in the last stages of the disease. And that happens most often. You are doing yourself a worse service by ignoring your complaints and treating them poorly. After 25 years of working with the patients, I know very well that when you reach the end of your diseases and are in severe and chronic stages, nothing will help you anymore. Usually, and this is maybe the saddest part of my work in my clinical practice for the last 25 years. Maybe never in 25 years it was patient in my office that comes in earlier or middle stages of disease. Usually it's at the end of the, like today's show, hip arthritis. Usually if you in this kind of position, nothing will help you anymore. Information that you are receiving today is going to especially help you in the prevention of the hip arthritis. But if you have the hip arthritis, these natural remedies can help you. That's why it's much better to start living healthy as soon as possible. Start practicing the healthiest diet regime that is called intermittent fasting and take natural remedies. It is by far the best way to preserve joint cartilage, and in today's show I will help you significantly with that. What are some great natural remedies for hip cartilage protection? Be sure to regularly consume bone broth and the food rich in omega-3 fatty acids, such kale, flaxseed, eggs, walnuts, like beans, chia seeds, mackerel, salmon, sea bass and oysters. All of them are amazing natural remedies for healthy cartilage. Regularly take probiotics like kefir, kombucha, miso, natto. They are really good for your hip cartilage and again generally for the hip arthritis. You need to remember this very well. Probiotics are very good for lowering inflammation, stiffness, pain and everything that is going on wrong in your hip. Another very important recommendation is going to be take bromelain. Take 3 times a day as recommended on the packaging of the food supplements you buy. This is enzyme from pineapple that helps in the production of prostaglandins. It reduces inflammation and should be taken between the meals. One of the my favorite natural remedies for hip arthritis is the bromelain. This is natural remedies that I have a lot experience and it was help a lot of my patients. Another great natural remedy is called chondroitin sulfate. Take 500 till 1000 milligrams a day. Strengthens joints, protects cartilage, ligaments and tendon. Another one is glucosamine sulfate. Take according to the instruction of the packaging of the medicine you buy. It is very important for the formation of the cartilage, bones, ligaments, tendons and synovial membrane. Another perfect natural remedy is in the short called MSM. This MSM is the short for the methylsulfonimethane. It is one of the best remedies for your hip problems. Usually, when you take MSM, recommended daily dosage is between 500 till 1000 milligrams each day, and it is very well known, very well researched that it can help you if you have hip arthritis or cartilage damage. Next one is alfalfa. Is the plant that contains essential minerals for healthy joints and helps with cartilage damage. Also, one of the best remedies for the hip arthritis is Boswellia serrata. Is an Ayurvedic herb known for its great help with painful joints. Those are some of the natural remedies that will help you. Also, you need to know my new book is called Miracle Natural Remedies Part 1. I discuss a lot how you're going to help your knee cartilage, hip cartilage, or whatever joint problems that you have with much more information about the natural supplements. But Boswellia serrata, also alfalfa, is so good for your hip and the cartilage protection. I would like to tell you one more thing at the end of the show. Please do not self-medicate, especially not through videos. According to my experience of working with thousands of patients for the last 25 years, 99.9 are treated incorrectly, especially if they do it themselves. You can significantly worsen your health with the wrong treatment, and that is exactly why you needed professional medical help. Because you are in a lot of problems, usually you won't hear this recommendation. This is my experience, and 99.9% of you are wrongfully treated yourself, and usually that is going to be very bad for your health. Today we're talking about hip arthritis, and if you at the end of the stages you get operation, usually that is not that good. That's why you need a really quality medical profession, especially if you know someone that knows classical medicine and natural medicine. Right now in my office, that I talk about it almost every day with my patients. 95% of my treatment is natural remedy and nutrition. It is the best way you get healthy, and usually if you take this into consideration, great knowledge about health, about nutrition, about natural remedies, then you will be fine. But a lot of you will not do this. 99% or more, you will take medication each day because that is easier. You get a lot worse. Then you take injection and you get a lot worse. You will do nothing, and at the end of the stages of any kind of disease, you get like operation or whatever, and that is not good. Please hear me. Natural remedies, nutrition is the best way for you get better, especially if you have hip arthritis. Maybe you have some information about natural remedies that help you with the hip arthritis. If is that the case, please comment below. Thank you for following me. See you in the next video. Bye bye.